We have the amazing, the stunning, the uber luxury of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is the S580 4MATIC all-wheel drive with just over 29,000 miles on the clock. And it comes with a Michigan rebuild title due to auto theft recovery, where we did not have to replace any parts. This is a stunning piece of motoring. I mean, it's just incredible, and it's huge sedan. So you've got this beautiful LED lighting, so you've got triple here, so you know it's S. You've got front and rear parking sensors, 360 camera. I'll just make it wide. Doesn't do it justice really, so I'm gonna cut closer. And it's beautiful. It's just wherever I look, I love it. And I would love to have it. So let's look at the back. So open the door. You can change, of course, the ambient lighting. So first of all, in the back, you've got the shades, so you can have them down. You've got heated and vented seats, memory. Look at this beautiful leather. This is black on black. It's perfect. It's beautiful wherever you look. You have got this luxurious armrest. We open this and look, you've got USB input, and in case you need even more, if we open this, you have two more here, so you can rule the world from the back. Let's look at the front passenger. Again, by the way, every seat in this vehicle has heated, vented memory seats as well. Look at this. Oh, and I love the pillow. It just adds to the luxury and comfort. This Mercedes comes with 13-inch infotainment screen and 12-inch instrument cluster screen. There we go. Let's get in. So you've got panoramic sunroof that is split. I'll show you how beautiful it is. Just to give you an idea, look at this. Look how huge it is. So we've got, hopefully you can see it. So have a look here, we have panoramic. We said sunroof. You've also got your heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, heated seats, vented, heated steering wheel. And everything about this vehicle can be controlled from here. You've even got, you can, on the press of this button, you can actually have your own driver style. There you go. Look at this. So everything is on this large infotainment screen. Your heads-up display, 3D driver display. So we've got that there. Believe it or not, it's spooky. It is 3D. It's amazing. So just about anything you want. There we go. Different driving modes. So we found sport. The cluster changed color to red. One other nice thing here, one of these lovely touches, you've got, if you want to drink in this car, which I would be really upset about, but hey, it's your car, cup holders, more USB cables, wireless phone charger. And in here, in case you haven't got enough, you've got this huge storage area and more USB inputs. This stunning Mercedes is available here at Nick's Auto. Call us on 586 770 1554. That is 586 770 1554.